Pro here at VIP Outdoors. Still in the middle of crabbing season. We're going to go over how to make our VIP Outdoor crab cakes. And what we have is our simple crab salad that we explained how to make last time. All it is shelled crab. We have mayo in there. We have Slap Your Mama, lemon juice, Old Bay, and green onions. Okay, that's our simple crab salad. Mix it all together to a decent consistency. And then what we did for our crab cakes is we actually roasted some Anaheim peppers and diced them up and threw them in there. So we have there our crab salad with Anaheim peppers in there. Now we're going to get the patties ready for our crab cakes. And what you're going to need is you're going to need an egg. Drop an egg in there. Then you're going to take breadcrumbs. I just use whichever breadcrumbs. I don't think it matters. It's all about the crab in this case. Okay, so we're going to mix that up. What we're going to try to do is just get it to where everything sticks together and will actually form a cake. It's kind of hard with crab. The egg is the binder that's going to keep it all together, but you don't want it so runny that it's a pain in the butt to work with. Okay, you can tell it's already starting to kind of form when you hit it with the spoon. That tells me the binder in there is working when it all goes together. So we need a little more dry in there. Put some more breadcrumbs. All the recipes are at VIPOutdoors.com, so you'll notice I'm not giving you particulars. And in a lot of cases, I'll eyeball it. You know, when you go out crabbing, you don't know how many crab you're going to catch. So it's kind of hard to say, well, we need a cup today and 2 cups tomorrow. You know, you got what you got, and so you got to eyeball it a little bit. All right, that looks pretty good. I always hit my cutting board with some crab cakes. What I'm going to do is I'm going to make those crab cakes and then I'm going to put them down on there. I'm actually going to cool down our cast iron skillet. We got our butter in there. Take it off for a minute. We don't want that butter to burn. It's getting pretty close. I'm glad I caught it. Okay. That's a cast iron skillet that we're going to be putting our cakes into. So you want to have it ready to rock and roll. Let me see here. So when you get your crab cakes over there, they're ready to sear on both sides. All right. Generally speaking, I just grab the patty and start forming it. But in this case, what we're going to do is we're going to use the measuring cup, and that will ensure that all the patties are about the same size. So I got a 1/2 cup measuring device, I guess. What is that? 1/2 cup measuring cup? Whatever. You guys know what it is. Everyone's wife has one in the cooking drawer. Some of you use more often than others. But then just pat it down, and if the patty forms like that, you know you have enough binding agent in it. And then I just put it down on the breadcrumbs there. Get another one going. Fill up my 1/2 cup. Pop it out. Make another one. Okay, form it into a ball. Squish it down. Squish is a very technical term when it comes to the outdoors. Sometimes there's a lot of things you need to squish. There you go, got another one. We're just going to keep forming these patties until we got all of our crab mixture used up. In making these, I've always liked crab cakes. My wife really likes crab cakes. Every year at Buoy 10, we go to the Silver Salmon restaurant just because of crab cakes. And I gotta take my wife out because, let's be honest, when we're gone in Astoria, it's not easy on the wives at home. So when she comes up to visit, you gotta take care of her. And taking care of her, guys, is not, hey, let's go to Buoy 9 and have some beers. Anyways, I'm gonna put a little more breadcrumbs on there. Keep making these, but like I was saying with these crab cakes, my wife and I really like them, and we just thought, well, why don't we put roasted peppers in them? I bet you they taste pretty good. So we're gonna find out here. They are pretty good. We know they're pretty good. But crab cakes are one of my favorites. I do like crab just out of the shell with butter, but You can only do that so much. Okay, getting there. I got room in there for 5, I guess. Last one, that looks like about half a cup. I'm not even gonna measure it. This will be the bonus crab cake. If it's too small, you eat it before it hits its serving plates. If it's too big, you make sure you pull that off the serving plate for yourself. Okay, there are our crab cakes. So we got 6 out of that guy. I'm just gonna get them coated with those breadcrumbs on the outside a little bit. I'm gonna go leave that alone. And in all honesty, the breading on the outside, that just so after I get my hands cleaned up a little bit here, my hands kind of stay clean, because you see they get a little bit dirty. Okay, got my Camp Chef going, got my cast iron pan. I'm gonna use some butter at the bottom there, just so the patties don't stick and we're able to get a good sear on both sides of the patty. And I'm gonna put a little bit of olive oil in there just so brings up the burn temperature of the butter. You don't want to burn the butter. Burned butter doesn't taste as good. That's what I hear on TV anyways. Okay, let that rock and roll. Be super healthy. So the fact that the butter's clear after it melts, anytime you have a clear bubbly liquid, I'm pretty sure that means it's calorie free. So I think we'll be fine. Okay, time to drop our crab cakes in there. Turn that up just a hair. Okay, only able to get 4 in there. That sucks, but anyways, I'm gonna get that other burner going and get the other 2 in there. And then we're gonna pop them in the, what is that, barbecuer there at about 350. And we just want to make sure they heat all the way through. So let them go for a couple minutes till they get browned on one side. We'll flip them over, and then, like I said, toss them in the barbecuer. That looks awesome. stop it real quick. Okay, so we've let these go on one side for a couple minutes. I'll come in here and flip them. We got a nice brown pan fry to them. That's about the color we're looking for. Alright, now that we have those churned and seared, I'm going to take them right over to the barbecuer. Let them hang out in there for about 10 minutes or so. Yeah, 10 or 15, so they cook all the way through there. Again, that overall temperature on the barbecue is going to be about 375. So go ahead and close it up and come check on it here in a little bit. Hey guys, we are getting wrapped up with our crab cakes. So they've been on for about 12 minutes actually. And now that we've got them, they're cooked all the way through, they're heated all the way through. And I'm gonna get ready to serve these. We're gonna eat some dinner tonight and really enjoy the crab we had. Again, that's another great way to enjoy leftover crab. We all love fresh crab, but after the first night, second night, you gotta be able to do something else with this. So I hope you enjoy these crab recipes during our crabbing season up here in the Northwest. Take a look at us at VIPOutdoors.com. Whether you're looking for a recipe, looking for a fishing trip, or looking for fishing tackle, we got it all for you at VIP Outdoors. Thanks for watching.